Doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make animation longer in Canva. Once in Canva, all you'll need to do is first add the item that you would like to animate. So let's say, for example, I were to go over to the top left hand corner, select elements, and I'm going to be adding this cat. Now to add an animation, all you'll need to do, or to make a photo animated, you'll select the item. Then from the top navigation bar, you're going to tap on animate. After you have tapped on animate, you can see different animations that you can choose from. So you can see the different animations right there. For this example, I'm going to be selecting the drift animation. So if I were to tap on it right now and choose the drift animation, at the moment, if I were to play it by tapping on play in the top right hand corner, you can see that it lasts for 5 seconds. Now to change the duration of this, all you will need to do is change the duration overall of the page. Now to change the duration of the page, you're going to simply select the page. In the bottom left hand corner, you're going to select your page. After you have selected the page, you're going to see a clock icon appear in the top left hand corner of the navigation bar right here. And you're going to tap on it. Then from there, let's say for example, I were to increase it to 17 seconds. After I've increased the page, if I were to now play it, you'll realize that the animation lasts for 17 seconds. So if I were to tap on play once more in the top right hand corner, you can see right here that it will last the full 17 seconds, as you can see right there. So you can see it is moving back now, and that's it. That's how to increase the duration of your animation. All you'll need to do is increase the duration of the page that the animation is on. Once you have increased the duration of the page, the animation on the page will automatically be increased also. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.